Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Schlage to integrate lock with Alexa step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Schlage lock is installed and functioning properly. Next, download the Schlage Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it on your smartphone. Create a new account by selecting the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Confirm your password and accept the terms and conditions. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link from Schlage. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Schlage Home app and log in using your credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Schlage lock with the app. When prompted, select your specific lock model from the list. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone for successful pairing. Once the app recognizes your lock, follow the steps to complete the setup. Now, navigate to the Integrations section within the app. Select the option to connect to Amazon Alexa. You will be redirected to the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, log in with your Amazon account if prompted. Search for the Schlage skill in the Alexa app and enable it. Follow the instructions to link your Schlage account with Alexa. Once linked, you can invite Alexa to control your Schlage lock. Test the integration by using a voice command to lock or unlock your door. Confirm that Alexa successfully responds to your command. Keep the Schlage Home app updated to ensure continuous compatibility. Now your Schlage lock is fully integrated with Alexa for convenient control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.